Oh my god, why suddenly got the renovation going on? What the hell? Hello friends, welcome back, and as promised, today I'll be installing some accessories that has been sitting in my room for quite some time now to this 390 Duke. Let me show you what it is. So first thing, we've got vinyl wrap. Like, these are my leftover vinyl wraps for the tank previously. And then we got the exhaust protector. Yes, it will be later we'll see lah where we're gonna mount it. And the third one, this is a carbon fiber exhaust heat shield. Yeah, it's real carbon fiber, but no, it's not like original acrylic, but it's real carbon fiber though. It's my first carbon fiber parts. So let's jump into it. I'm so sorry about the construction noise at the back. So yeah, let me just make this quick. So why did I want to wrap the wheels? It's actually because I kind of want to have this supermoto look. So it's not a whole wheel lah. It's just like one line over here. So as the wheels turn, and you kind of see different. I don't know how to say it. It just have like a black color element on it. Yeah, front and back wheels. So next thing is this. This is an exhaust protector. I'll probably mount it here like this, but I'm not too sure though. I'm like having doubts about it because will it ruin the look of this beautiful Acropovic race exhaust? I'm not too sure, but let us install it first and we see if I'm gonna keep this or not. So yes, the third one is a heat shield, a carbon fiber heat shield. There'll be here, somewhere around here. I think it looks amazing though, because it's like real carbon fiber and it adds like a little bit of a flair. That's my opinion lah. Okay, let's jump onto the installation. Alright, so the tools that I'm going to use to install the wrap is a knifeless tape and a hairdryer. So let's go. The wrapping of the rim is done over here and here. So right now we're gonna proceed to the exhaust shield, the heat shield. Okay, so this heat shield, it comes with these two exhaust clamps so that we can, you know, freely position it wherever we want. So yeah, I'm gonna take a look and see how am I gonna like this to be fitted. So mounting this clamp here really doesn't give me much space to move around, to fiddle around, but I don't quite want this this heat shield to be low. Like, I don't want it to be too low. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fiddle with it even more and to try it out and see which position is the best. And yes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna run with something like this because it kind of looks seamless. So as you can see, like this exhaust goes along with the carbon fiber. the top and bottom part, like it looks kind of seamless lah. So I think I'm gonna go with this position, and I'm gonna use this position. Yep, I think this position looks the best because it's like, yeah, it's in line, it's flush. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this look. And let's move on to the exhaust protector. You know what? I don't quite like how this looks. I think we're gonna skip this one out. Let's save this exhaust protector for the future exhaust. Alright, everything has been installed except for this exhaust protector. So we're gonna save it for the next exhaust that may be bigger than this. Yeah, we're just gonna save it for the future. So this looks damn good. Okay, wait, let me step aside. Yeah, this looks quite good. It may not be a big piece, but it's like you just add a little bit of an accent lah. So, and also if I add the exhaust protector, then this exhaust section will look a bit too busy for my taste. And yes, this wrap is a lot harder to wrap than I've expected. But it turns out to be quite good. I like it, I'm satisfied with it. And the front one also, I'm very satisfied with it, how it turned out. Very nice. So let's just start it up and see how the wheels look when it's rotating. Oh wait, let me put it in gear. Okay, so that's it. Tiring, but it's totally worth it. And I love how the way this looks. Perfect. This is the journey. So, thank you all so much for watching. I'm sweating like crazy. I'm gonna go to shower right after this. And you know what to do. If you like what you're seeing, hit the like button, click the subscribe button. You know what to do. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.